Hi kids, today I draw an aeroplane. So, let's go! Nice! This airplane looks so good! Now it's coloring time! Yellow. Red. Blue. Pink. Sky blue.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock.
Amazing! It looks super with beautiful colors. Let's clap for you. Bye bye cuties.